morning to everyone watching. Happy to have you guys, whether you're watching the live stream or the replay. Good morning to you, or afternoon, or evening, I guess, whenever you're watching this bad boy. Let's get to work. So let's get the link sent here and we will start jumping into some trades. That was a nice one there that we weren't able to capture. Nice little signal there. A lot more confidence in our signals today, averaging 71%, so that's good. I mean, obviously we've had price just kind of fly down here recently. Market's looking pretty ugly, so good stuff there. Let's go view channel. All right. Let's get to work. New signal here in 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Got myself another short. Go sell right there, stop. Small victory there, 35 bucks. Not much there. Made the stop pretty tight. We've seen price kind of give us a little bit of like maybe we're going to roll back up pressure. So wick here, here, and here, kind of in the same spot. And then this is kind of what I thought would happen if I didn't get my stop in time. I wasn't sure if this was going to run back up, run back down. So I wanted to get my stop kind of squeezed in there. And so we made $35 there. Not bad, but not great. So maybe not a bad signal here. Let's see. Anytime ChatGPT starts calling for a reversal, I'm kind of keen on that, especially when we have a trend like this. Now, this isn't the easiest or smoothest of trends. We don't just have all red and all green, but I'm keeping an eye on that. So new signal here says short. Okay. Let's just see if we can get something out of this here. Nope. 180 there, negative. So we should be 130, yeah, 133. Actually wasn't a terrible signal. A long probably is better suited, but not a terrible signal altogether. All right, little reversal action here. All right. Good morning to everyone that is watching. Actually, not a terrible signal at all. Sell signal here. Nice. Let's get some of that money back. And then some. Okay, good. We're at 122. Good trade there. 9 a.m. start. 300 bucks or so. Okay. Good. 9 a.m. on the dot. Now, I didn't even look at news, so that's on me. Let's see what we got. Nothing. I didn't miss anything. All the news happened in the morning, but for Canada, not the US. So we're good to go there. Interesting. Okay, new signal here. Kind of have this bottom wick here, so I want to be patient with it. We'll go sell right there. I'm a little nervous about this one. I could see price flying up here as well. Man, there it is. Let's see. Can price stay low? Let's see. Nope. Nope. Back to where we were before, negative $37. Okay. All right. So we're getting a little choppy here. Let's see if we can continue this trend down. I mean, price is just getting scorched here. I mean, markets are ugly right now. Oof. MSTR. If MSTR get down to under 200, that'd be sick. Tesla getting its face punched. Good God. All right. New signal here. Got a long signal with low confidence. All right, let's see if we can take this one and see what happens here. We kind of missed out on most of candle movement, so we would need a ton of movement here for us to get real profitable on this. Let's see if we can get it. Close. Stop is real tight here. Yeah. Okay, down 191. And real tight is relative because it wasn't that tight. So let's see. Netflix, Amazon, DocuSign, bro. I don't know why XY. I can't explain why this keeps ending up on my watch list. I have no idea why. All right. Let's see what else is out here. Gold's up 1%. It's fine. Okay. Tesla at 223 is attractive to me. Tesla's a tricky one. I've got some headwinds. Let's see. Got myself a long signal here. I'm going to wait on that one. I'm not going to take that. Good signal though. Really good. Had to deal with some drawdown. Could have put a trail in there. Had we purchased somewhere down here at, let's call it 60, we would have had 9 to 10 points to take profit there, at least. Well, 10 points. Maybe not the best of signals, actually. Good signal to go long. You had a chance to get in when it was red and then sell when it was green. So that's a good signal. But Holy Earth, what's going on, my friend? Okay. Not a terrible signal altogether, I don't think. New signal here is short and short. Let's go sell right there. Let's just see what happens here. Stops a little big on that one. Come on. Yeah. Down 385. We got to battle back here. Not the best start. Now we're kind of trading this rebound here. So I'm wanting to still go short on this, considering all of the downward pressure that we've gotten so far. So this is kind of what I'm seeing is just, all right, we're going to keep selling. But it looks like price is ready to kind of rock and roll back up a little bit. Maybe we found a bottom at 19,640 and we're heading back up. So let's see what GPT likes here. Got myself another short. I'm gonna sit this one out maybe. Actually, I'll jump in there. Let's see if we can get price to run down here. There we go. Okay, got a little bit back down 309. All right, about 70 bucks there. Not terrible, not great, but not terrible. All right, not a horrible signal. Let's see. Okay. All right. Actually, it's a pretty good signal altogether. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like price is ready to go up just a bit. Let's see if GPT likes that as well. Short again. Threatening. Nice. Okay. 314 on that one. Not terrible. Probably had a little more space to give it, but its price is moving pretty fast. So let's see. So far, it's a good signal. Did I lose money on that trade? I can't even tell. 9. The long is a better signal. I'm going to count both of them good. They're both not terrible. You could have made money on both. Could have made money going long, could have made money going short. We'll count them both good. New signal here in 3 seconds. Okay. Short again. Wow. We'll sit this one out. So I think price is going to go up here, and trying to go short hasn't been a favorable task. So let's wait. So far, that's a bad signal. So far, that is bad. If you guys are watching, let me know where you're watching from. Happy to have you in the chat. Okay. Actually, not a bad signal, all things considering. New signal is a long. Now we're going long. Okay. 65% confidence. I'll take it. Let's see if we can get price to rampage up a little bit. Nope, no rampage. Okay, we're down 500 bucks here. We gotta tighten up here. All right, so we finally went long after giving us numerous shorts, and this was the time we should have gone short. That sucks. Okay, well, we're not doing terrible, I guess. Let's figure it out. Okay, short. Let's go sell right there. Stop. There we go. Nice. Oh wow! If I could have caught that big dump down, about 200 bucks there. If I could have caught that move down, it happened too fast, but it shot down like that. If I could have caught some of that, that'd have been sick. Awesome signal here. Okay, so ChatGPT kind of calling this reversal here a little bit. These two longs here are kind of erroneous. I don't like that, but definitely calling for price to settle down here. Now here goes price taking off. So let's see what we've got here. This is a crazy candle. Holy cow. It's a good signal to me because we got a chance to capture a ton of points before price reversed, which we'll take that every time. Okay. Short here with a decent amount of confidence. God, I don't trust this one. There we go. Okay, there we go. Nice trade there. Okay. Good signal, good signal. Okay. See what we got here. Looks like a short should be coming in long. Okay. I like a short here. I'm gonna take the short off a low confidence signal. Let's see if it pays off for me or not. Nope. Gosh dang it. That was sloppy. Okay. So I guess it was a good signal. It was. It was really good. Gotta trust AI. Gosh. Try to outsmart the AI and it didn't work. That was stupid. So it calls a short here, calls a short here, calls a long here. Correct, correct. Ooh, wow. I was correct eventually, but that first trade was correct. I don't know what's going on right now, but that first set was correct. All right. New signal here. Short. Go ahead and take that right there. Stop. Good. Okay, puts us back to 175 net down. That signal was good because it worked. J Stores. What did I just do? Kyle, what's good? Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you guys. Okay. New signal here. Go sell right there. Stop. And I kind of feel like this could be a tricky one here. Nice. Okay. Didn't really do much for us, but okay. Wasn't great. I don't know. Would like to see something a little different happen there. It's tricky when price is moving really fast. Like we're not getting huge movement per se. ATR is down to 29, so like still, I mean, it's big movement, but not crazy like we've seen before. Um, sell. Go ahead and sell one right there. But when it moves fast, it's hard to capture, maximum value. It's very difficult. There we go. Man, we made like $6. We made like $3 to pass like 2 trades. This is really pissing me off because we had technically the price movement that we wanted. It just like didn't end up being what we needed. Not in time, at least. This is a good little signal. So if price got down, so not a bad trade. We just didn't capture any of it. Okay. Good morning, Krishna, my friend. What is popping and going on? I have a short here. I've got a short with more confidence than my long, but the long was looking nice right now. Stop right there. Sell. We're looking to see price roll back down. Don't know if we're going to get that though. I don't think so. I want to place you, but I just can't. Better. I got to take that small low victory, I guess. $20. Oh man, I really wanted that one to work out for us. 16 is another short. Okay, I got a decent fill there. Dude, we're chipping away. Chipping away. Chipping away. Okay. McB, what's good? Storm C making an appearance. What's going on, my friend? Okay. Sell signal there. Let's see if we can get price to roll down for us. Don't think that I remotely got close to what I was hoping to get on this one. Tight stop here because we're going to get smacked. Don't love that. And we really rushed into this one and it hurt us. I'm going to have to trail this one pretty tight to avoid a much larger loss than I want. Yeah, fuck. All right, we're down to 437. Damn it. So we were chipping away. And that's the thing about trading when you have small wins is that it takes one loss to just cover up all the little good things that you did. That's why we need bigger wins. So we'll get it back, but tough. Tough. Okay. Sell signal here. Man, I think we entered at the peak again. I think we did the same thing we just did. Hopefully price can move and cooperate, but I think we entered incorrectly again. Dang. Not a whole lot we can do with this one. Especially with price moving as fast as it is. Let's see. If price runs down big again, I'll have to trail it like we're winning it. Yeah. There's just nothing. I mean, there's just nothing we can do with that. We're down 606. We got to do something better here. Actually, it wasn't a bad signal. I did pretty good. I messed it up by getting in way too late. Long signal here. We'll wait for this one. We won't take it. Starting out bad here. Let's see. Dang. All right. We'll get it back. Okay. ATR is sitting at 20. Oh, okay. ATR is falling off a cliff here. So we've seen the ATR be in the 30s kind of like all morning. We've even seen like high 20s. Now we're starting to see the ATR, trail off a little bit. And that's interesting because it means we've got a little less volume in the market, and which is okay. But we'll just have to be cognizant of that because it could make sense for us to like ratchet up our risk. Not now because we're down so much, but going forward, like as we get closer and closer to the ATR being like around 15 or so, we'll certainly want to consider that. All right, new signal here. Let's see. Got a long signal and a short with more confidence. I'm gonna go with the more confident short and just see how that plays out for me. So far, not great. Oh, we're gonna blow up this account right now. We just got stopped out of this one. Well, flip over, keep going. God, fuck. Oh, that's how you lose $1,000 in 20 minutes. 1K loss. 20 minutes. That's exactly what I wanted to start the fucking day. Gosh damn it. All right. Well, we got smoked. I'm just gonna make it back. Good signal there. Price a little tricky. That's all right. Well, can't always start great. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. New signal. Okay, I see a short here, but I don't see price cooperating with that signal. So we are going to wait for that one. I would like to try and time the top and just like go short, right now. But price could easily blow past that and just run like it is right here. So I want to wait, especially when we get a signal that's opposite of the obvious way price is going. I want to make sure that we are patient there. But okay. So just looking at the market right now as a whole, oops. Starting to see price maybe make a low here. So a little spot there. And then we got kind of a top here, but I'm thinking somewhere in here is looking like real resistance. 19,700 is on the table as that even level. And so let's see if price can run up. That's 12 points away. Let's see if price can run up to that. And we'll see how it handles that because that'll tell us how it'll handle the resistance at 719 or so. Signal time. Short. Okay. Two shorts. Wow. I'm not going to take that. Prices run away from us already. Well, let's just see if those can get better. No, what's going on, my friend? Has not been a great start to our morning. What in the world happened here? Okay, new signal here. I'll take it. Let's go long right there. See if price can cooperate a little bit. Okay, looks like no. Dang, so we've missed on, and we'll let this candle finish out, but I think we've missed on a lot of these runs up here. So price runs up right here, and then we turn our signals. Like this would be a short. So like GPT is thinking we're going to get a reversal at some point based on price action, which is great. But minus 219 there. But it's just a little delayed here. So that's okay, but not great. How do I get that off of my, like somehow messed up my YouTube thing here. Short. Okay. See if we can get back on track here. We've lost quite a few trades in a row, so let's see if we can get on track here. Our entries have been horrendous, by the way. Like they have just been so bad. So we gotta correct that. Which a lot of that has to do with just our signals being a little, man, signals being a little delayed, which is okay. But price is moving quite a bit before we were able to get into these trades. That trade could have had a chance to be profitable for us, assuming we get in like at the open, and then I mean, that had 9 points of value before it turned around, man. So we gotta lock in, I guess, because we're not doing great. All right, so here down, that was 8 points. This one was 9, so that's a bad signal currently. New signal here. Nope, another short. All right, so GPT is stuck on these shorts, and that's okay. But man, I don't know if I love the idea of continuing to try to short this little reversal. Let's see if we can get this one to be correct here. Come on. Okay, break even on that one, if anything. Oh, there goes price. Good call, GPT. Yeah, that's a great little move here. We just didn't give enough space, I guess. Which makes sense. We've been getting our ass kicked the past like 7 trades, so it makes sense that we would not trust price action. That's fine. Okay, got to improve these signals here, and the only way to do that is to trade them and see if they're actually worth anything, and then from there we can train our new model here. All right, long trade here. 2 long trades here. Good God, I don't trust this at all. God, I don't love this setup here. This is not the setup of a winning trade, I don't believe. Yeah. Why would you signal that? All right. Well, oh, I'm getting torched this morning, and I really shouldn't be. I just am. Kevin, what's good? Bullying, what's good? Not a whole lot to see here. I'll tell you that right now. Actually, I need to do this. Let's go here. Okay, I've got myself a short. Okay, kind of a long entry here away. Let's see if we can get price to run for us a little bit. Not yet. Not yet. Nothing there. Okay, so we tried to squeeze in a that was bad. Tried to squeeze in a short right there, and to make anything more than commission is kind of insane. Um, okay. Okay. Hey, you guys aren't missing much. All right, let's see what we got here. Short again. Stop. Better. Okay, finally. Able to do something here. Good. Puts us back to 365 negative. So that's solid. That's what we need more of. Okay, good signal. It's figuring these out. It's figuring out this choppiness. It just with the choppiness, it kind of just picks a side, which is fine. It's hard to tell if it's early or late though. So I anticipate this going back up. I anticipate ChatGPT looking for, okay, you're looking for a long. I can't take it now, it's too far gone. But okay, I get that. Yes, I'm making bullion. I'm making my broker good money as well. I am as well. I'm just loading up Trade of 8 with money. Good signal there. So it's figuring out the chop. A couple things are happening when you have chop. So first is if you're late to the move, you might just miss it. So that's number one. Second thing about chop is that a lot of times it's back and forth, back and forth. Let's see. So we got a long right there. See, just like I said, if you're late to the move, you're going to miss it. And so we need price to run and stay up that high. Can it break that high and go? Is the question. Right. That we're kind of at that 17,000 level. So our 19,700 level. So we'll see kind of where price wants to go with that. Yeah. Okay, gave it all back. We're right back to where we just were. Um, Actually, a decent long right there. Okay, new signal here in about 10 seconds. Okay, short. Oh, shoot, long actually. Whoops. This one's on me. I I looked at the previous signal on accident. Whoops. Let's just manage it the best we can. Well, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, I guess. Okay, we got 100 bucks on that one. Bad signal there. Had a chance to be profitable on that signal though. I want to keep trading the chop because I want to understand these signals just at a different level. Like obviously price is dancing between here and here. Like I get that. And we will certainly start to range and move out of this, like for sure. But I want to understand these signals just to get a better idea of what is going on. Okay, wait for the 32. Short. Fill was horrendous. Looked like price was going to run for us, and then it kind of stopped. There it is. Nice. Okay, good. We're back down to 178. Good call, GPT. 25 seconds. Short. Hey, this one's tough. Let's see if this will work out for us. Nope. It kind of did, kind of didn't. Kind of did, kind of didn't. Nope, bad signal here. Um, I thought we had timed at the top of this right, and then our stop got hit right at basically the open, so just commissions there, and then price rolled back up. So okay, bad signal there. Again, we're right back into our range. Made a new low, and then we're gonna try and make a new high. It looks like. So we'll wait and see what happens here. VWAP is at 19,838, so we're not even within range of that, which is good. Which is good. We might get there though. Who knows? Okay, price making a new high, new candle, short. Man, I not love a short right here. Stop has to be tight on this one. Yeah, commissions. Actually, has a pretty good signal. It just came in late. Unless price runs double whatever this is, or same amount. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Well, that's bad. Yes. Last 2 months I gave him 54K. That's a lot of commissions, Bullion. That's a lot of commissions. Holy cow. Are you integrating machine learning? That is what I'm messaging my team about as we speak. Um, okay. So yeah, I think actually we might be able to get the back end updated tomorrow, I think, and so we might have a chance of going live with it tomorrow. Maybe, probably more likely short here. Oh man, we missed our entry on this one. Keep missing them. We got to do better about that. Okay. Deflate because we missed our entry one, and two, our stop was so tight that we only were able to get commissions, which is fine. We'll optimize for that too. So we'll get better about that, which is making sure our stop actually gets moved when we're going to make a decent amount of money. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna go short again here. Let's see if we can get price to not do this. Nope. 375. I think our stop was probably right at the peak of this. If our stop was at the very peak of this candle, I'm not gonna be happy about that because that's user error. This thing opened at, that's 09. I mean, that's 13 points. That's enough. That should be enough for us to not hit our stop with the ATR sitting at 18. So I can't be too upset about that. We're really trading this range. But we're, again, if we can make money, this is like, I know it doesn't make a ton of sense for me to be trading this at all, and I get that. But if we can make money or get to break even while we have something like this, then when price is running, we're obviously make a ton of money. So I want to be able to make money at any point, no matter what price is actually doing. That's the goal. And well, the only way to know if we can is if we do it. So let's see, short here again, sell, stop. Okay. Let's wait just a second on my stop here. And this is why we take commission sometimes. We just gave back another $100, $150. That was, I should have just let that one hit my stop early on and called it a day. Tricky. Let's keep it going here. 39 has a long. I think we missed our mark. Got into this trade a little. Nothing there. So last trade I decided I didn't want to just settle for commissions. I wanted to wait a little bit, and it burned me. This time I should have waited a little bit, not settled for the commission only, break even, and boom, price takes off for us. Tricky. How do I get this out of the way? Anyway. So we will have actually machine learned. We'll have a machine learned product. Hopefully Thursday. I don't think tomorrow's a possibility, but maybe sell here. God, I don't trust this. Yeah, that's why I don't trust it. That's crazy. Okay, we're down $700 here. We gotta be quite quick here, because otherwise we are going to not be in good shape. So ChatGPT likes to go like some of these reversals, which I totally get. Probably seeing a combination of things, but we're just a little early, and I don't love that. We should be long here until we got some harder evidence that we could be reversing. Okay, so tough day for ChatGPT so far because we haven't had much success so far at all. We're down what, 1,700 so far. We gotta trade back here. We gotta do something. Okay, new signal here. Not a bad signal, just wasn't great to start. Sell right there. And my stop is way too reckless. There we go. That's better. That's insanity. $20 on that? We ran a short and price ran so fast. Oh man, that's a good call though. It's not a bad call. Okay. New signal here in about 10 seconds. Ugh. Yeah. Here we're down 8, 12 here. All right. So reading this candle, and thinking we're going to reverse, and not necessarily incorrect, but we're just getting a lot of movement that is really hurting us right now. Oof. To know that we were in a short and we only got stopped out up here. That's what's tough about it is we kind of had the reversal. Excellent call by ChatGPT. Excellent call. We just didn't give enough space. What are you thinking here? Long? Yeah, I don't think so. All right. Well, hasn't been our best morning so far. Let's see if we can salvage some of this here. Let's keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. We got our ass cooked. I mean, just cooked. 10 seconds here. Here's price kind of dancing outside of our zone. So kind of established above that 19,700 level. Let's see what we're going to get here. Long. Take the more confident short here. There's price. Waking up a little bit. Good. Wow. That was sweet. Down 496. That was about 400 bucks there. And still going. Good God. All right. Good call there. Bad call there. Nice. Okay. Got about 500 bucks to go to get back to even, which sucks. Then we need to make some more on that. So let's see. New signal. Sell. Nice. Oh, I got hit. Oh man, I did not know that. Okay, 220 or so on that one. Not bad. Okay. Good. We just need price to run. Choppiness is going to hurt anybody, but that's why I need choppiness to. I need. That's why I need. That's why I need this thing to be profitable. Wow, choppy, because anybody can, like, not anybody, but these aren't hard to catch, right? We need to be able to have the foresight to know what to do when price isn't moving a whole lot. New signal here. I still got a short. Let's go sell right there. Stop. 11-point stop there. Let's go 12 points. What can price do for us here? Okay. Okay, if we get a red candle again, we're gonna have to just move our stop to break even. If I can place it, gosh, there we go. Yeah. Yep. All right, we're down to 24. Why would you play with me like that? Let's see, 70. Okay. Looking for a short here. We'll wait. Hmm. I've kind of got price stalling, so let's see if this can pay off for us. Okay, about $100 there, back to 139. So bad signal, but once I saw price kind of stopping, oh God, sell again. See if we can get some extra out of this one. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I got hit on that. Oh man, fudge. That could have been another $300. No, probably another $200, but like, all right, so we're back to profit after being down $800. That's good. That's nice. Here's what price looks like on the trading view chart. Rangy, just rangy. Every time we make a huge book like this, we start to get a little bit rangy, so I'll be cognizant of that. But we got back, battle down. We were down 8 something. We're back. 49's a long? Are you kidding? No thanks. If you're right, you're right. I'm not taking. William Fish, my friend, I'm on Tradeovate. I am on Tradeovate. Thank you for your comment. Ask as many questions as you possibly can. Somehow, magically, like this is stupid. How did I do this? I don't know why it's the whole page. I can't see all the other stuff I'm looking at. Okay. So not taking that long there. I know why ChatGPT maybe wanted a reversal here, and it could be correct. It might just be a candle early, so we'll keep an eye on this. Okay, there's a little push up. I'll take a buy right there. Um, Up $32, so I made $1 or two. Yeah, could have. I didn't believe in the signal. If I believed in the signal, I would have set my stop at a normal place and then just trailed this thing up. But I didn't believe in the signal. So, which is going to be, I think, your guys's at first, at least, like your reality at first, which is going to be like you won't trust the signal fully, so you maybe want to keep a tighter stop. And then as you get more and more used to the signals, you'll then want to go ahead and trust them a little more. Some of what I gather is pretty much some of these signals are about a candle or two ahead of their time, and so I just want to keep that in mind. Like, okay, maybe this isn't worth taking a short right here. Maybe it is. Let's see. Nope. Back down to 152. That's fine. Nope. So sometimes these signals are a candle or two ahead, which is okay. And so if we get like a crazy, like prices obviously rolling up here, maybe not going short makes sense. If we wait, maybe our next signal here, the next candle after this one, will actually give us a short. It's part of how I'm seeing it. Kind of what I've been noticing recently. So nice pullback. Sick. Could have used that way earlier. 10 seconds till the next trade. Really appreciate everybody in the chat. Let me know where you're watching from or if you have questions. And then make sure you guys like the live stream if you can. That always helps. New signal here. I've got myself another short. Let's wait for this candle to kind of settle down and we'll take it. I'm going to call that settling down right there. That's awesome if it can hold. Yes. Nice, puts us back up $68. Really good trade there. Really good trade there. Okay. All right, now let's get profitable here. Let's get like real money profitable. Short, sell. Oh, stop. Oh God. Can price run for us? Down 214. Mother. William, happy to have you, my friend. Happy to have you. Thanks for your comment and your support. Yeah, we live stream every day. Most days are better than today, I'll tell you that. All right, new short signal here. So sell right there, stop. Okay. Are we gonna do this again? We've consistently gotten in at the bottom of some of these candles, like consistently, and it's burned us every time. Down 400 bucks again. Fuck. It's burned us every time because we're just late. This candle was actually pretty good. We're late, and so we're getting not as much movement when we're right, and then we're getting way more loss when we are wrong. We have to go 11 points or so um, as a stop, and we're already 4 to 7 points off of the peak of where the candle was, and so we're just getting insane drawdown here on some of these trades because price is moving a little fast and we are a little slow on our entry. So worth recognizing. Let's see here, new signal, short. Okay, I'm not going to take that one. That one looks a little scary. So we were profitable barely, and now we are back to negative, which is awesome. So happy to hear that. Happy that is our fate here. Sarcasm, piss. And we did have a chance to get this thing going in the right direction. We really did. All right, new signal coming in here in about 15 seconds. Okay, short. Good. About 60 bucks on that one. Okay, we'll look at our stats here in a moment. Not bad, actually decent. Long, wow. That's a bad one for now. Okay, take a shot. All right, let's look at our stats for this account. We have not been great. 30, we're at a 50% win rate. 40, we have a couple break evens. 46% win rate is not great. All right, our biggest win 320. Biggest loss 230. So that's good. So we're risk management wise, we're not doing too bad. Just one of those days where GPT is getting chopped out because price is chopping. And this is kind of what I mean. If the signals were like 65% correct, then I think we would have a really good chance at this thing making us a fortune. Like I really do. So we need these signals to be probably 7 to like 15% better, which seems like a lot, but I think we can get there pretty quick. If we get that, I think we got a real shot at making this thing a money printer. Short, sell right there. Because the signals right now aren't amazing. They're solid, but like they could be better. Okay, small win there. We're down to 287. They could be better. Um, but if we can improve them just a little bit, even if it's just 5% to start, and then another 5% a week after that, another 3% after that, like we're gonna get this thing to be like extraordinary. I think it's just gonna take a little bit of time. I don't think you guys will have to wait all that time before you get access, but I certainly need it to be better than it is right now. Because I've been consistently profitable with this thing, um, like very profitable with it. But a lot of that has to do with just me understanding it and knowing what's going on and then using a really good stop. What I would like is just for it to call these signals and then no matter kind of who you are, you'd be able to take it and make some money with it. All right, so 59. I've got another short here with pretty high confidence. Let's go sell right there. Stop. And we'll put that up here. And I'm a little a little nervous about this one. Yeah. Back to 4. We love being negative $470. We just love that. We just are attracted to that number. We got to get that positive 400 bucks. This is going to be one of those accounts that we just trade like 100 times in and end up breaking even, which would be heroic, honestly, because this is bad. All right, so ChatGPT, we're back to kind of this chop in here. It's like chop GPT right now. Good God. All right, so that wick high, if we get that, we're probably running. If we get this down here, we're probably running. So nice little 40-point kind of area here. We got ATR sitting at about 18, 19. Not terrible. So enough room to still make some money. Not risking too much. Short. Sell. Okay, we're back down to, that was about 100 bucks there. Just shy of 100 bucks. Good trade here. The good signal. We could have made probably another 100 bucks on that one. 150 bucks, 200 bucks. So it was shaky in the beginning, but then like this is an easy one to trail. Like price is just very, very simply very easy for us to trail here. Good night. Oh, that could have brought us back to even. Ah, tough. Tough, tough, tough. All right, now the question is, what do we do here? We've been here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. What do we do here? What does price want to do here? Okay, I've got my reversal up here. Sell. Stop. Let's run, baby. Come on. There we go. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That was insanity. Okay, we're up 2. That was a, I mean, I made like 700 bucks there. Wow. That was an insane trade. Holy cow. Up 294. That's good. That's nice. Short again. We're going to get back some of this profit, huh? Yep. Come on. Fudge. All right, we're up 170. That was always going to be a tricky one. That was always going to be a tricky one because we had just enormous price movement these previous two candles. So open to close or open to bottom. So 56 points, 68 points. We could have made money on that last trade. That was always going to be an insane next candle. Let's see what this one brings us. Oh, 03 also says short. So let's wait for this thing to kind of finish going up and then we'll take it. Okay, I guess that's where I'm gonna place it. Slide for me, thank you. This one's gonna be tricky as well. Small victory there, 10 bucks. Okay, not that I don't believe prices are gonna go down any further. I just price is a little shaky right now, and so let's kind of see where we want to make a bottom. I could see us running clean through this. I could see us not. Our Qs are down 2%. Wow. Paladins are down 5. I like that. All right, and then we'll just leave you up here for now. New candle. So we got ourselves a little bottom here. Let's see if price wants to short, and then this one's going to be bad off the rip. Okay, we're up 81 bucks. Tough one there. I tried to find the top on this one and trade it down. We had a chance to maybe be profitable on that one. It was going to be very difficult always, and so now we're kind of trading back here. Okay, fine. Totally fine. Let's see, where did this one up to? Okay, your signal here. Sell. Okay, good. That puts us up 162. Okay. Doing all right there. Nice, JStores. Nice. Great work. Great work. That's awesome. Awesome, my friend. Good job. Okay, your signal. $188. Okay. Great work, JStores. That is awesome, my friend. All right. There we go. That's better. Default mode. That's what I needed. All right, 3, 2, 1. New signal coming here. Got myself a nice little short signal. Not in love with it, but I'll trade it. Okay, I'm in love with it. Never mind. All right, plus 233. Made money on that one, but not a good signal. But we made money on it, so good enough. There, count trading started. 640 drawdown left, up 7 total drawdown. Now, nice, nice JStores. Imagine how much better it'll be when you have access to the signals in real time. Great work. Great work. Make sure my broadcast is up to speed. Awesome job. You're very bold for trading with me, though. I'll tell you that because it's hard to tell if you're going to be choppiness or not. So now we're starting to get back to choppiness. This is kind of what it looks like. I'll mark it in a second on the trading view chart. I do like having trading view chart open. I don't want to look at it all the time, but I like to just see kind of what is going on here. Let's go buy right there. Every time we do a buy like this, we get crushed. Every time. We're just a little early. Can this be different? No. I should have went with the short. I should have went with the short. Should have waited a second. I need to wait 2 more seconds. I'd have taken that. All right. So I don't know why I disconnected here. So price made its bottom here. So I'll just mark it right there, kind of between this one and this one. And then now we have a top, and I don't know where that top technically is. I'm going to call it like candle close here, both of these, and then this wick over here. I'm going to call that kind of the range. And so let's see. Let's just see what ends up happening here. Okay. Long. Let's go buy. We bought again at the very top of the candle. Fudge. Now we got to take this L here. We got to take this L, I think. Maybe not, though. It's going to be an L, I think. Oh, never mind. All right, small victory there. Small victory. Good signal. Terrible entry. Again, entries are just bad right now. Entries have been just bad. So if we can improve that, we'll be all right. Okay. New signal here in about 10 seconds. No doubt. No doubt. We have improvements to make. That's why I haven't released it yet. But JStorage, you're kind of on the money there. Okay. New signal here. I've got a long and I've got a long. I got 2 longs here. Wow. I don't know if God, I'll take it. All right. Oh, stop too tight. No. Oh, damn it. Stop was too tight. I knew it was too tight. Made 50 bucks there. I knew it was too tight. Let's see how you guys fare out. Let's see. Nice. Oh, maybe they're good and good. God, price is just really tricking right now. A little trickster right now. Okay, we got short. Wow, not taking that one yet. Let's see if I time this one decently enough. Okay, about 11 bucks on that one. Terrible signal, but we made money on it. Let's see if our next signal here can be. Let's see if the next trade we get makes sense to go short. Let's see if we were just a little early on this one. God, dodged a bullet on that one. Good night. But again, we will have an improvement of these signals. I don't know if tomorrow's going to be an improvement if we get the update today, tomorrow. Let me see. Hold on here. I'll finish that thought. Short. I don't know if I love this one to start. Violent, very violent price action here. Okay, we gave back about 100 bucks there. Wow. Long, good. More rocket shipping, good. 165 on that one, good. Good call. Okay, kind of what price is up to right now. So breaking through that level that I kind of thought was going to be the right level to mark resistance as, probably a little high. But now we got price breaking out of that. Let's see if we can get back to this region up here, which is where price, I think, feels fairly confident that this is kind of the right price for the NASDAQ right now, about 19,700, 600, somewhere in there, 680, somewhere in there. This region right here just feels right for price. So let's see if we can track back into that and then end up settling down. So new signal here. ChatGPT was fantastic with the long previously. We can do it for me this time. You've got a delayed signal. Good God. Short and long. I'll take the more confident signal, but not the one that I believe in the most. I think a long makes more sense here, but I will certainly grab that. 60 bucks. Okay, we're up 200 bucks essentially. This thing has a chance to be right both short and long. I think we could easily see price run up here. Luciano, what's good, my friend? What's going on? Playing 5 to 7 micros makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Chase stores. I get you. Yeah. So we should. Let's see. Well, I'll finish that thought, I guess, in a minute. New signal here, 15. I got a short. Okay, we mistimed our entry per usual, and we got smoked. Now down 40 bucks. What the hell? This one never had a chance. I'm pissed. Okay. Okay, so we should be able to work on deployment. Okay, we should have Thursday. We should have the new trained model that will be basically using the data from today. Little Rock, nice, nice. Mr. Travel. What's going on? Let's see. Cursat. Probably saying that wrong. Cursat. 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 Hmm. Sell signal there. Mess up a little short. There we go. I was gonna say I really want to see price accelerate. Okay. Back up 45 bucks. So we're just breaking it. We're back to even pretty much on all of what we're doing here. So that's fine. What's up, my friend? D. Lou. No need to announce you have a question, my friend. Just ask it and I will answer it. But we will have the new model, I believe, deployed Thursday. And I don't think it's going to be as good as ChatGPT to begin, but I think over time it will get better. And so, because we'll have to train it. And so, I would anticipate Thursday's trading to be not great, but we'll see. All right. Looks like I've got myself getting into a short here again. Sell. Okay. I didn't get in on the peak of this candle, so that's nice. Like that's an improvement of our execution. Let's just see what price wants to do with us for today. I'm trying to trail these responsibly, but there just isn't a whole lot to really go off of. Now my ATR seems to be a little bit low. We're at 15. There's a world where we jump to 2 contracts here. There is a world where that happens. Kursat, I will get to your question in just a second. So you said a past 50K top step or take profit. That it sounds like that's right. I think that's what they offer Chris, I think that's like a promotion they're running right now. Is there's no activation fee? I think that's right. Short, buddy. I'm not. I'm not buying. I'm not. I don't believe in you. We're gonna wait on that one. I believe that's something that they're running. Marcus from Brazil, what's going on? Does it have to have high volatility? No, it's just what I trade. And so I haven't developed this thing for S&P, Russell, or crude or gold. That could be in the future. I just don't trade it, and so it's hard for me to explain things on something that I just don't have any real experience doing. It's very difficult for me to do that. This probably ends up being maybe just an NQ strategy. I don't know that there's a reason for us to trade anything else. You can always size down, and there's enough volume throughout the day and evening at times for you to make money. And so I don't know that there's a reason for me to develop this thing beyond kind of this point. Okay, 19 gives me a short. Yeah, that's a risky position. Holy cow, I'm about to blow this thing up. Wow. I can't believe I actually made money on that. Not that it was worth the shit, but like that was incredibly risky and it worked out. ChatGPT is kind of getting the gist here. We've missed here and we're kind of missed here too. But it looks like price is slowing down and might have a reversal. I like the data that I'm giving it. It seems to be picking up the reversals that I wanted it to catch. Before we weren't getting as many, now we're getting more. The problem with is at times we signal these reversals too soon and we step in front of these massive moves, but then we step into one of these. So we didn't catch this one, but we ended up catching this trade right here, this candle. Which was nice, but both were signaled short. So we're getting the best of both worlds, it kind of feels like. Let's just see what this signal has to say. 20 is a short. I should get two though. I'll go long. Buy that. Stop. And was the short the better call? Of course it was. The one I didn't take? Yeah, no doubt. Okay, we're back down 100 bucks. What are we doing? What are we doing here? So the short does make more sense now, but we'll see. Gosh dang it. Caliper, no, I don't know that we would have any issues with it. We're just taking a lot of trades. We're not scalping for like a quarter of a point. We got a couple break evens, which is pretty normal, but no, I don't know why we would have an issue with payouts yet. Let's see. 20, I'll explain that in a second though. Why? 1 second. Long? Really? Yeah, you missed the boat on this one, buddy. This is the time for you to call that short that I was waiting on. I would have taken a short, but I called it long, so we wait. That'd have been sweet. If we ignored that signal and just went short on it, that'd have been cool. Um, we'll see. To me, it might make more sense for just to self fund as this thing gets better, so I don't have to deal with some of the rules of the prop firms because you can still make the money you're looking to make with your own cash. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what Top Step has to say with some of the funded accounts we've got. So we'll see that. It's kind of a work in progress. Short. Okay, we're waiting for price to settle down and pull back. That kind of feels like what I'm looking for. It looked like it at least. Break even doesn't really do much for me. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now we're talking. What are you doing? What is that price movement? What is this? Well, you can't just jump down, pull back, jump. Like, what is that? God, that felt like it had a little bit of room to kind of get rambunctious, and I didn't give it to it. But I don't know. I didn't like the way price was jumping back and forth on me. I'm down $1, I think. So I'm basically just getting smacked by commissions right now. New signal, short. Okay, good. Kind of feels like we have momentum on our side, but I mean, price is just like, yeah, no, no, you don't. Okay. Yeah. Kind of want to go sell again. I'll wait, but fudge. Missed that one. Yeah, price action has not been fun in kind to me either. We're down 1,000 in our other account, and I think we're down at what, $100 here, 100 and something. 186. So it has not been fun. We're down almost $1,200 today. Hasn't been fun for me either. So there's that. GPT has had a hard time keeping up with what's going on. So we should have, again, this is what we're trying to solve for these days. If we can get these days correct, where we're like making decent money on these kinds of days, then when price is trending, then like that's just easy money. Let's see what we have here. Another short with pretty high confidence. Take that. How? How in the world did that happen? All right, let's see if we can get price to run a little bit for us. It already did. We just didn't capture any of it. Fudge. Oh, actually, accidentally was in on 2 contracts. Okay, that actually worked out on me by accident. Okay, we're down 224. How the hell? See, we like it would. What? How did we lose money on a trade where we went short? We entered too late. Price ran too far against us, and we had to exit. I obviously could just use less risk. That's an option. But the other option, which is I think a lot better of an option, is just to enter better. Enter these trades better. Okay, I've got myself a new signal here, a long. Let's just see what happens. If we trail this bad boy, let's just see what happens. Made 26. Damn, we made 26 bucks. We could have made 200 bucks on that. We were super late. Our signal came in 6 seconds late. I don't love that we're getting that late of signals because if price moves far from us, we can't catch it. Damn it. So we made 20 bucks instead of 200 bucks, which is always just the best. So here's kind of our new range. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. Kind of where price is sitting here. So we'll see. It looks like kind of this high up here might be a target. And there goes price extending, which is nice. All right. Oh, let's see what happens here. You're down 313 again. Okay, wanted a reversal here. Wasn't going to get it. Makes sense. Let's just see what ended up happening here. What ends up happening here. It's just rough because it's rough. Um, Tough. We've had wonderful movement on FOMC meetings. We've had good movement on new contracts. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I've got myself a long here, or yeah, a long. Dude, a lot of jumpy, a lot of jumpy. Fuck. Easily could have made some more money on that one, which is okay. We protected our account quite a few times, but we missed out on quite a few as well. And most of our trades today have been bad because of our entries. Some of the signals are bad, but a lot of the trades that we made decent money on, we had a chance to make a lot more money had we entered properly. And that to me is like it's kind of where have to have the right edge. And so it's part of me is like, if the signal was opposite, that might have made a lot more sense for us to just scalp. But let's see what this one gives me here. 28. I should get two signals. One short. Wow. I'll take this. I'll take the short. I picked the wrong one, I think. Yeah, we're down to 461. Back to 400 bucks. Chop, chop, chop. You were right at first. Why did I pick the short? That was weird. It would have ended up working out, but I mean, how much room do I need to give that thing? 89 to not much. 7 points, not much. Risk management. Gotta keep it. Gotta keep it tight. I haven't done the wrong way, but you have a personal timeline of when you cut bait and doesn't pan out. What do you mean, Andy? What do you mean by that? This is the but you have a personal timeline on when you cut bait if this doesn't pan out. What do you mean? I take that a lot of different ways. You have to clarify your question, Andy. Help me understand, my friend. Oh shit, new signal here. Let's see if we jump into this and see if we can get an extra movement. Some extra movement here. Ah. There we go. Nice. Okay, good. Down to 346. Some good stuff there. Andy, do you mean like in the day? Like, what do you mean? Do you mean like the actual project? What do you mean, my friend? I don't know what you mean. All right, good trade there. Oh, here goes price. See if we can jump in and catch a little bit of this. Nope. Back down to 5. Mother. All right. Good signal, bad signal. I tried to chase this one. I kind of thought, erroneously apparently, that it would be something like this where we would get a nice move. So I wanted to jump in, even though we were late, and we were like the most late one could possibly be on a trade. I thought if we could get price extend a little further, we'd have a chance, but we did not. We did not. Tough, 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 tough. Still waiting on Andy's response. I don't know what he means. But yeah, this is a tough day. Today's a tough day. Didn't have to be. We made it that way. Okay, new signal here and right now. Short. Nice. Nice. Wow. Okay. Back down to just 249. So $300 trade there. Good. Let's see what we got. Short. Back 388. This is where I would like to see the AI learn a little bit. And again, we can't learn until we have real machine learning involved. But like, I would like to see it learn that okay, we get like ping ponging back and forth. If we get a red, green, red, after we know we're choppy, we're ending at the same spot. Probably should signal along there. Um, and again, like whether or not I would take these trades on my own is a different story. This strategy has to be good enough on its own so that no matter what you're doing, you can just look at the signal and take the trade. There shouldn't be a whole lot else. So you should know to take a A short on this candle, a long, that would be a tough one. Either way, this one would be fine. A short here and then a long makes way more sense on this candle. Like that would make sense. Now we're not going to get all of them right, obviously. Markets are too good for that. But the idea is that we should be able to get this thing pretty good so that we can make money consistently, no matter what the market does. That's why I do this on a 1 minute chart. All right, let's see. 6 points here of movement. I'm going to give it, back down to 5. One massive trade, 2 small losses, back and forth, back and forth. Tough, 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 tough. Okay. Okay. That's just what a bad signal looks like. And that would be a long. All right. We're down 5. We got to battle back. New signal here. Short, low confidence. And short. All right. 2 lower confidence signals here. We'll wait. Let's see if that is enough. Okay, good. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So bad signal there, good signal there. Okay. Short. And we can't take this no matter what it says. My bad boy's gone. All right. ATR sitting at what? 16? All right. We're gonna need to be really accurate here. We want to get if we want a chance to get back to even. We have to hit probably 4 or 5 in a row. And decent trades too. But really we have price, I mean, just chopping like between these two areas right here. Nothing else to really look at. We're trending towards VWAP though. We're trying to get back up there. I would like it not to get towards VWAP. That'd be no fun. But all right, 15 seconds to the next signal, and I've got price just kind of doing its thing. New signal. Short. I want to get back in, but I'm gonna wait. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Don't want to be too much in a rush to try and get into a new trade. Not that it wouldn't have worked out or couldn't have worked out. I just don't want to be in a rush all the time. Yeah. 10 seconds here, new signal, or it looks like we're like trickling up. We'll see how this pans out, but we're kind of moving in the right direction. Let's just see. Long and short. I'll take the short signal off of a nice push up. And I'll probably be wrong knowing the track record of today, but so long makes more sense for me to be in right now. Can I be rewarded for my efforts here? Nope. Down 620. Been here before. Been here before, but would not. I didn't think I'd return, and we did. So tricky day today. Tough day. I'm glad you guys are able to see this though too. This is the other side of it. Obviously, we win a lot, but there are times where we lose as well, and so we have to be honest about that. One, but two is we need this feedback. This is good feedback. We need this. All right, new signal here. Short. Okay. Ugh. Okay, we ended up making $80 there or something like that. Solid trade. Got in a little late, so we weren't able to capture most of that movement. Happens. That happens. Okay. 584. Man. So we're down about $1,600 today, I think, altogether. Let's see if price is ready to run up here. I got buyers stepping in, pushing price. Let's see. Short again? Two shorts. Wow. Okay, this is really risky because I see price flying here. Nice. Oh, am I still in this thing? I was wondering why I was up so much compared to how price was moving. I entered twice, I guess. Whoops. All right, we're down 353. Okay, good. It's about $200 total on that. Those two candles. Short. We missed a lot of movement there. There we go. Puts us down 157. Good. Nice trade there. Nice smooth movement. Okay. Battling back a little bit. Let's see if this movement can continue, and that will give us probably a break even on this account, which would be just ridiculous. Okay. There goes price flying and skying, no doubt. What does my 42 signal say? Short. Okay, I got in at I think a reasonable price. If price runs past this, then it just is what it is. Let's see. I'm not going to trail it that close just yet. I want to see price move back a little further. There we go. Wow. Now that's a good entry. Okay, we're down $86. Good. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Waiting for a short. Maybe jumped in a little early. Let's see. I might have to trail this one pretty tight if it gets back to my even or my entry. It didn't. We're down 181. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we kind of made a low and a bottom right here. Same spot as before. Same spot, no doubt. Let's see if we can get price to try and test that low again. That would be what I would consider ideal. Let's see though. Let us find out. New signal here, right now. Long looks like. Let's see. I got a short. Man, testing me here. I'm trusting you. It's testing me though. I just don't. I don't know if I would want to go short right here. Okay, yes I do. Oh, $8 or $1 or something like that. That wasn't worth the shit as a signal. Price moves so fast. Well, price moved incredibly fast. But very excited about. I don't. I think tomorrow I probably won't have it by the time we go live tomorrow, but we'll have the new machine learning model up, and I'll get to see kind of how decent it is. So then Thursday we'll really take it for a test drive. But from that point forward, we'll be basically training it, updating it, and it will be learning from itself, which is super exciting. So that I am pumped for. If we get a long signal here, I can't take it. You know, it's gone, buddy. Too late. I don't know. I don't know why we get some are 1 second delayed. Some of these signals, and then some of them are like 5 seconds, and 5 seconds of a signal is too much. Now, going from ChatGPT to this new model, I believe our signals will be faster on average because there'll be less traffic. We are combining two models, and we have kind of a custom model that we're building. So that's really exciting. So we should get some of this like away. Like this shouldn't like 12 seconds, crazy. We shouldn't have that. We shouldn't even have five. We should have like 1 second, maybe two at the most. That way, when we have a new candle, we can make a decision straight away. So that shouldn't be a worry or issue for us. What are we down? 180, 180. All right, not bad. Not as bad as I thought we were. New signal here. Okay, 2 seconds delayed. I don't mind a short. I just, you know, hello. Oh wow, what's going on here? What is going on? Oh, ChatGPT is such a good signal. I know I couldn't take advantage of it. I'm sick. Let's go MNQ just for a second. Just go one, hit sell. What the hell? Okay, long. Am I bugging? What's going on here? Yeah, no doubt. Log back in. Okay. Good old trade of eight. Just really fast here. Okay, there it is. Exit. There we go. All right. That just cost me $50. Okay. Stop. We're kind of back, I guess. I don't know what the hell that was, but just blew 50 bucks trying to see if I was able to trade. It's fine. Okay, down 320. Actually, good signals. We just got into them really late. All right, we should have our trade evade issue fixed. I don't know what the hell was going on there, but we're back, I think. Okay, new signal here. Sell. Good, back down to 235. Okay, good signal there. No, I was. So I was on the right contract. It like I didn't change anything. I don't know what was going on there. It just kind of froze, which is fine. But all right, let's get back here. New trade, short. Oh man, we're gonna we're gonna pay the piper on this one because we didn't get anything that we needed here. We got nothing friendly about this candle. It flashed down like that, and I think it's over with. Yeah, 340. What's been up with our account here today? I'll check my stats. I think we're trading at like 50%. We have been bad. Been bad. I'll let it load here for a second. We still got 30 seconds for you. 53% with six. Yeah, we've been bad. So it's about a 60% win rate right now. A couple break evens. Um, biggest trade win is 695. Biggest loss is 235. That's kind of how we're staying in this account. But man, it's been ugly. New signal here coming up. Man, I can't believe that we were in a short there and didn't make any money. Okay, 51. Sell with the stop. It hits that high again, it doesn't matter. Our entries have been so just piss poor. It's been bad. Today's been a rough one for that. Yeah. Back down to 5. We can't run away from this. We've just been getting hammered. All right. 52. Got a short here. Okay, good. That'll help build us back up a little. There we go. That's what we need. We're out. Down 343. Good. Long. Gonna avoid this one. We'll wait. We will wait. Okay, 20 seconds. Let's see. 53. Four. We got a short. Trying to place my stop. Okay, good. I think you guys are right. I think I'm on the wrong display. Okay, back down to NQ. I think you guys are right. You guys are right. Been right the whole time. Sorry about that. Well, I've been trading like a dickhead then because, yeah, I think you're right. 19. There we go. I think we're matching up now. Should be good. I don't know how I ended up on the wrong one, but should be ready to rock. Actually, not a bad signal. Five. New chop zone here. It's kind of hard to tell where this is going to want to stop chopping, but kind of think in here it makes sense. So let's just see. I got myself a new signal coming in about 10 seconds. Should be on the right one now, Mamba. Let me know though. Can price keep going is the question. Nice. Nice. We're back up 159 for today. Good. Good, 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 good. Back. We were down 8. We were down 6. Been down 5 a few times, 4 a few times. We're finally back to profit. And the hope is that we don't give it away and go back to where we just came from. True sign of success is how far you go from where you started. Let's see if we can have a very successful rest of this late morning. New signal here. Short. Let's see. I was going to say up 290. Okay. 10 seconds till new signal, and that bad boy, if we waited a little longer, probably could have printed us a little more cash. Fudge. New signal here. Short again. Really high confidence here. 2 really high confidence signals came through. Okay. Uh, this is ugly. Yeah. Back down $8. Damn it. We tried to go away from where we were, but we are just destined to be not profitable today. Good night on this account. All right. Well, that stunk. Now, the ego in me wants to go short right here because I think we've kind of peaked out of price, but we'll just have to wait for price to make a new something. So we made a new low here, and the price decided that somewhere up here is where it's going to settle. So let's just call like right here that top. So 661. That candle's pretty big for where we've been recently, but okay. All right, new signal. Short. Nice. Plus $33. Okay, that's profit. Okay. Actually, it's a good signal. All right. All right. What in the world is going on here? Well, it was a good signal until it wasn't. Okay. Kind of got price stopping out at where I thought it would stop out at. So that's nice. Short again, really? Oh, I got a long in there too. Shit. Let's just see what price wants to do with us. Okay. I kept a really tight stop there. This thing could go down. I don't know. We're down $100 here. I kept a really tight stop because I kind of think I should have taken the long, but I was right the first time. Oh, we could have been way more profitable. Ugh. Man, what a rough day. We'll be better. We'll bounce back. Tough. All right, tough one there. Price rebounding is tough. Now let's see if it's going to rebound and run, or if it's just going to rebound and sit. It's our spot. What we got for me? Signal's super late. That's not good. Got a long though. That's good. Solid. Let's look for where price wants to go here. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. What are we down? $200, $100. What are we down? 105. All right. Not the worst case scenario, but ain't far from it. Hmm. New signal coming here in about 3 seconds, 2 seconds, a second. Small delay in the new signal, I'm assuming, but let's see. Short for both of these. Wow. Okay. This one's gonna hurt, I think. I don't think we're gonna get this one right. Oh, now we're down 393. Too early. Too early. Nice push by price, but going long would have made way more sense. But ChatGPT did give me a short, so I'm assuming that we're going to get something of a reversal coming. I think I was just a little too, and I got to be better about recognizing that, where it's like, okay, price is obviously rolling up. Trying to go short off of this, like if it's really a move, then we have the chance to um, like wait a little bit, and then we would see that we could be correct. But I don't know that we're going to get what we're looking for here. Long. Taking it. Damn it. Long again. All right. 295. Solid. Okay. Come on, baby. We're close. We're close. This wick high looks interesting to me. Let's see how this candle finishes. Long again. Should get two. Long again. Gotta wait these out. Okay. Guess we'll take our long right there. Run away from my thank you. Oy. Okay. Down 149. Okay, ChatGPT, good calls there. Okay. What we got? Let's keep rolling here. 3, 2, 1, new signal. Another long. This one's gonna be tough. 57. Okay, we snuck in our break even, snuck that in there. Wasn't great. Tell me about my results today. What am I seeing? 100 trades almost. Damn, ain't bad. Excuse me. 55% profitable. Holy fuck, that's ass. 500 bucks in commissions. Makes sense. Max run up was 1100 bucks. That was from our low. So we did have some nice trading here today. Let's keep it going though. If the price wants to fly, we will fly with it. Hey. Really? Ugh. Down 546. Good night. Oh, we did get a short signal though. That was pretty good. I missed that one. I took the quicker one. Should have waited just half a second. Should have waited half a second. That short I was waiting on, but I didn't see it initially. So, all right. 10 seconds till new signal. My assumption is maybe we get a short, and I think our short would be probably not a good trade, but I'll take it if it gives it to us. God, good gosh. All right, long. Okay, stop. Ugh. All right, 40 bucks there. Had a chance to make about 100. We didn't get it. Still a better long signal than short signal for now. And now it's a better short signal than long, I think. Can't really tell. Okay. Take the short. Let's see if price can run for us. There's something. My stop did get hit partially, but not fully. Okay, I made about $100 there. Good signal there, bad signal here. Good. Good stuff. Okay. Short. How did we get that fill? How was that the fill that we got of all fills? Oh man, oh it stings that we didn't catch more of that. Down 352. Okay, that stings that we didn't catch more of that. That really stinks. Keep it rolling here. Wow, wow, that candle spun around. That's crazy. Now we're in the chop for sure. Short. Oof. Attacking my stop. One hit. Two hit. Yeah. Wow. On 590. That choppy day. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? All right. 10 seconds till next signal here. Probably starting to build back up, which is nice. So this is kind of our bottom, it looks like. So we'll kind of mark it there. New signal. I got myself a short. Man, I don't trust this at all, but okay. Oh, I can't. I couldn't move it. I tried to move it. I couldn't move it. Down 609. I don't think that's going to be a good trade. Try to move my stop. Couldn't. Actually, I don't think I'm not that bad. Yes, you are. Okay, I got price exploding. Probably not the best idea to go short off of these. Maybe it is now, though. Let's see. If this signals along, I have a feeling price is going to want to spin down. 1212, short. Yeah, short. We don't want to step in front of this, do we? Fuck it, we do. See what happens here. Not my smoothest trading, but well, we got like $60 left. All right, we're out. Okay, this account we're down. We're done with that one. Oh, oof, 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 oof. Well, pretty bad day today. So we made some decent money yesterday, gave it all back today, and then some, which is awesome. Traded probably the worst trading I've done so far. So just tricky. Hopefully we can get some improvements for tomorrow so that we actually have something that can compete when the market's really choppy. But tough day. We battled back. We were up. I don't remember how much we were up. I think it was maybe $300, maybe, and that was it. Are we up 695? Were we really? I don't remember that. I don't remember that at all. So just tough. We just nothing was good today. Nothing was positive today. Uh, Tough one. We'll be back tomorrow with hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully the new model like implemented. It should be pretty cool. So we should have that, and I think it's going to be a little worse than this one start, but in a week or two, it should be better than what we got right now. And if we can get it better than right now, we still average probably about 800 bucks a day with this across all of our accounts, which is nice. So we can get it to about 1,500 to 2 grand a day. That'd be sick, and we'd be ready to rock and roll. So again, goal is to make this thing as good as we possibly can. Today is probably the worst day we've had with this strategy. Maybe there's one other day we had a bunch of trades that just weren't good, but today was pretty terrible, pretty terrible. So we'll be back tomorrow with hopefully better results, some more market movement. I think we have the Fed speaking tomorrow, if I remember correctly, something like that. Let me see. What's tomorrow's news like? Yeah, we have the Fed meeting tomorrow and rates at noon. So that one could be a little hairy in the morning, but then fun in the afternoon. We won't trade the afternoon unless price starts to really make it. I'll look at it, but I won't be live looking at it. So we'll see. Anyway, tomorrow should be a better day, maybe more of a choppy day, but we'll see. Anyway, appreciate you guys logging in with me and coming along this journey. We're gonna make this thing really freaking good, but just like anything when it comes to trading, you're gonna have bad days too. So you have to be able to weather the storm and bounce back with the same amount of confidence that you had the day before you had a bunch of losses. So anyway, I will see you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But until then, have a good one and trade safely. Peace.